Hello friends, good morning. Yesterday we learned how to find out due date when the terms are given in the form of dates. Barabar? Today we will see the format of bill of exchange. See properly. Suppose this is Mr. Mahesh and this is Mr. Rohit. We have taken this example. Mahesh draws a bill on Rohit for 10,000. We see Rohit agrees to pay after 3 months. Okay. In this credit transaction, Mahesh draws a bill. Bill is a document in writing. It is known as bill of exchange. So Mahesh draws a bill on Rohit. Rohit has to accept the bill. This document is called bill of exchange. Mahesh is known as drawer of bill since he draw the bill. Rohit is known as drawee of the bill. He is a person on whom bill has been drawn. He is a person who draws the bill. He is the maker of bill. He is acceptor of bill. He is drawer of bill. He is drawee of bill. Remember these two parties very well. They are very important parties. So today we are going to see the format of this bill of exchange. How this bill look like. In examination, there is a question of 5 marks. They will ask you to prepare the specimen of bill of exchange, that is format of bill of exchange. Today I am going to teach you the format of this document. Pay attention very carefully, understand it compulsorily and make your 5 marks sure in examination. परीक्षेला 5 मार्क तुमचे फिक्स करून टाका. आता मी नमुना दाखवतोय बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंजचा. कसं असतं ते परीक्षेला येतो 5 मार्काला प्रश्न आणि बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंजचा फॉर्मॅट दाखवा. They will give you detailed information like name and address of drawer, name and address of drawee, term of the bill, amount of the bill, date of the bill. Date of the bill मतलब मैंने सीखा जिस दिन महेश ने बिल बनाया उस डेट को डेट ऑफ बिल बोलते हैं. डेट ऑफ बिल is a date on which bill has been prepared, drafted by drawer. drawer ने बिल ड्राफ्ट किया उस तारीख को डेट ऑफ बिल बोलते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कल बताया मैंने 3 अगस्त सपोज 2016 इस तारीख उसने बिल बनाया. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड डेट ऑफ बिल. फिर ये बिल उसने भेजा इसके पास एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए. इसने समझो 5 तारीख को एक्सेप्ट किया 5 अगस्त को 2016. So this is called date of acceptance. So all this detailed information they will give you in the examination, and with the help of that detailed information you have to prepare the format of bill of exchange. So how the format look like I will teach you today. Just pay attention carefully. First of all, with pencil and scale, you draw one horizontal line like this. Then 2 vertical lines like this, of course with pencil. Okay. Then on the left hand top corner, you draw a square. Immediately below that, you draw a rectangle. Like this. Here we have to affix the stamp. So write the word stamp in block letters. Then at the top center you write bill of exchange like this. Then on the right hand side top corner, you have to write here name and address of Mahesh, that is drawer. So that is given in the book. Mr. Mahesh Patel, name of drawer. उसका एड्रेस है 2/3 शिवाजी पार्क, दादर. ये अपने मन से नहीं लिखने का. They will give you in examination whatever information they will provide you, that only you have to present here. You get the proper you get the mark for proper location, proper जगह पे जाओ, proper thing you have to write. On left hand side you have to write here, show your stamp. On the right hand side you have to show name and address of drawer. Below that immediately you write the date of bill. जिस दिन इसने बिल बनाया उसका तारीख डालने का, दैट इज कॉल्ड डेट ऑफ बिल. 3rd August 2016. Then on the left hand side over here in the rectangle you have to write the amount of bill. Amount कितना था? 10,000. So write here rupees 10,000 in figure. So write the amount in figure. Then below that you have to write sentence of order. You have to write the sentence of order. अभी महेश रोहित को क्या ऑर्डर दे रहा है, दैट यू हैव टू राइट हियर. जरा मैं इसको ऊपर लेता हूँ. It will look better. Rupees 10,000 in figure you have to write. Below this you have to write a statement of order. Mahesh is going to give order to Rohit to pay certain sum of money. तो कैसा लिखेगा? 3 महीने के बाद तू पैसा देने वाला है, तो पहला टर्म लिखने का 3 months after date. 3 months after date, comma, pay me, मुझे पैसा देना, or my order, the sum of rupees sum of rupees 10,000 only in words. For value received. ऐसा वो सेंटेंस लिखेगा, समझा? So this is how you have to write a statement. 3 months after date, pay me or my order the sum of rupees 10,000 only for value received. So this is the way of writing the statement. Then below this statement, on the right hand side, Mr. Mahesh will put his signature. तो इधर ऐसा करना है, सिग्नेचर, नाम लिखने का मिस्टर महेश पटेल, within bracket. So this is how you have to write within bracket the name, signature of Mr. Mahesh. Now below this, on the left hand side, you have to write the word to. Here you have to write the name and address of Rohit. Rohit is Dravi. The right name and address of Dravi here. Mr. Rohit Sharma. Below that you write address of Rohit Sharma which is given in the examination. जैसा 203 तलाव पाली थाने. So this is the name and address of Dravi. Dravi is a person on whom bill has been drawn. So उसका नाम एंड पता इधर लिखना चाहिए. और इस पोर्शन में, इस एरिया में रोहित will accept the bill. रोहित क्या करेगा? He will write the word accepted and put his signature. तो कैसा करने का? थोड़ा क्रॉस में लिखो accepted, उसके नीचे सिग्नेचर रोहित का, मिस्टर रोहित शर्मा. जिस दिन इसने साइन किया वो डेट डाले. 5 तारीख को उसने एक्सेप्ट किया था. राइट हियर डेट 5th August 2016. So this is how, thoda cross, you write the sentence like this. Mr. Rohit accept a bill by writing the word accepted and by putting his signature and date. Then you draw 2 parallel lines between these wordings like this. तो ये जो है वो थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे चल सकता है, इस एरिया में होना चाहिए. हो गया तुम्हारा बिल. तो दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज. देन ड्रॉ horizontal line at the bottom with pencil. So this is how format of bill of exchange. If you prepare in the examination, you will get 5 marks. So here once again I repeat, draw 1 horizontal line, 2 vertical lines. Then at the top center you write the word bill of exchange. On the left hand top corner you draw a square. Within that you write the word stamp. Below that you draw the rectangle in which you have to write the amount in figure. Then on the right hand top corner you write the name and address of drawer which is given in the detailed information. Below that you write the date of bill. जिस दिन इसने बिल बनाया वो डेट ऑफ बिल बोलते हैं उसको, 3rd August 2016. Then here you write the statement of order. पहला टर्म लिखने का 3 months आफ्टर डेट. अगर 2 महीना रहेगा तो 2 months आफ्टर डेट. 40 दिन रहेगा तो 40 days आफ्टर डेट. 60 दिन रहेगा तो 60 days आफ्टर डेट. पे टू मी और माई ऑर्डर द सम ऑफ ₹10,000 ओनली. अमाउंट इन वर्ड लिखने का फॉर वैल्यू रिसीव. देन बिलो हियर ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड सिग्नेचर ऑफ मिस्टर महेश, दैट इज ड्रॉ. सिग्नेचर लेके ब्रैकेट में उसका नाम लिखो. देन कम टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, राइट द वर्ड टू. देन राइट द नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ ड्रॉवी, रोहित शर्मा, उसका एड्रेस. एंड देन बिलो हियर थोड़ा इधर या इसके थोड़ा नीचे जाएगा तो भी चलेगा, इधर भी चलेगा. राइट वर्ड एक्सेप्टेड, सिग्नेचर, नेम ऑफ रोहित शर्मा विद इन ब्रैकेट. ब्रैकेट निकालो. एंड देन बिलो दैट यू राइट द डेट, डेट ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस. जिस दिन उसने साइन किया वो डेट डालें. तो आपको पता चला कि बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट रहता है. इसका 5 मार्क डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. डेफिनेटली क्वेश्चन आता है एग्जाम में. सो डोंट लूज दिस मार्क अननेसेसरीली. वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर. विथ प्रैक्टिस यू विल कम टू नो. सो इसमें आपने देखा कि दिस बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज इज अ डॉक्यूमेंट इन राइटिंग. तो बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज का पहला फीचर है कि राइटिंग में रहता है. ये वर्ड्स में नहीं देने का, ऑर्डर राइट करके देने का. सो बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज इज डॉक्यूमेंट इन राइटिंग. इट इज ड्रॉन बाय अ डेफिनेट पर्सन. दैट मीन्स एट ड्रॉवर, ड्रॉवर का नाम एंड पता पूरा लिखा ही है. सो कंप्लीट एड्रेस एंड नेम ऑफ ड्रॉवर इज रिटन. सो ड्रॉवर इज डेफिनेट पर्सन. सो इट इज ड्रॉन बाय डेफिनेट पर्सन. इट इज ड्रॉन ऑन डेफिनेट पर्सन. कि जिसके ऊपर बिल ड्रॉ किया वो ड्रॉवी, उसका नेम एंड एड्रेस इज ऑल्सो मेंशन हियर क्लियरली. देन इट इज एन ऑर्डर नॉट अ रिक्वेस्ट. सी दिस स्टेटमेंट केयरफुली. ऑर्डर वर्ड आता है इधर. तो मिस्टर महेश इज गिविंग ऑर्डर टू रोहित. to pay certain sum of money only, सिर्फ पैसा देने का, उसका ये ऑर्डर है, and it should be accepted by the drawee. It should be duly stamped. It is accepted together with the date of acceptance also is written. So remember the all features of bill of exchange you can see here very clearly. Here we have two parties, drawer and drawee. Amount of bill, term of bill, date of bill, date of acceptance. This detailed information they will give you, and only you have to place it to the proper place. Proper जगह पे लिखने का, स्टैम्प की जगह स्टैम्प, एड्रेस की जगह ड्रॉवर का एड्रेस, इधर ड्रॉवी का एड्रेस, तो इसका आपको मार्क है. So you get mark for this. So do practice. I will send you homework today. So you prepare this at home. If you find any difficulty, you can call me. Okay. Now let us take one more example, so that you can understand this format very clearly. At the top center, bill of exchange you have to write. On the left hand side, you have to affix here stamp compulsorily. Here we are going to write the amount. Suppose another in next example, may suppose name and address of drawer is given Shrutika Shinde. So write here Miss name of drawer, then address उसके नीचे लिखने का, write the address of drawer. Suppose 206 Kamal Complex, Thane. So this is the address of drawer. Then below that you have to write the date of bill, the day on which she draws a bill. Date is given 11th March 2020. Then below that you write the amount of bill in this rectangle, in this box. The amount of bill was given 20,000. So write rupees 20,000 in figure. Then below that you have to write the statement of order. First of all, you have to start with the term. The term is given 60 days. So 60 days after date, comma. Shrutika is giving order, so she will say 60 days after date, pay to me. Or my order. The sum of rupees 20,000, in words you have to write 20,000 only for the value received. So this is how you have to write the statement. Remember it, by it. इसको ठीक से याद रखो, इस तरह से आपको एग्जाम में लिखना है. Then below that, on the right hand side, Shrutika will put her signature. Right, signature, Miss Shrutika Shinde, within bracket. Then below that on the left hand side, you write the word to. Name and address of drawee we have to write. The name and address of drawee is given Piyusha Thakur, Miss below that you have to write the address 12 Shastri Nagar, Lal Bagh. So this is the name and address of drawee. तो श्रुतिका ने ऑर्डर दिया है पीयूषा को. So this person is drawer, this person is drawee. This is the date of bill. Now अभी Piyusha will accept the bill. When she will accept the bill, she will put her signature on this side, and she will write the date of acceptance also. So here थोड़ा cross लिखो again. Accepted. ये Piyusha लिखेगी. Below that signature short form में लिखो ऐसा. Name लिखो Miss Piyusha. Thakur. Below that she will write the date. Date of acceptance, suppose the date of acceptance given 14th March. (2020). Now draw two transverse parallel line over here with pencil. हो गया काम 5 mark will get. So you get 5 marks by just showing this format of bill of exchange. This is known as format of bill of exchange. All the detailed information is given in the examination. Only you have to place it properly. Bill of exchange, name and address of drawer, date of bill. On the left hand side, stamp in a square. Then write the amount in words, in rectangle, in box. Then write such a statement: 60 days after date, pay to me or on my order the sum of rupees 20,000 only for the value received. Drawer will put her signature. Signature of Shrutika Shinde. Then on the left hand side, you come over here and write the word to. Name and address of Piyusha Thakur. Name and address of drawee. Piyusha Thakur, 12 Shastri Nagar, Lalbagh. Then इधर उसके सामने या थोड़ा नीचे we can do like this. Accepted signature of Miss Piyusha Thakur. Date of acceptance. So this is the process of acceptance. Here what happened? Drawee जो है accepted the bill as it is. कुछ change किया नहीं इसमें उसने. No change is made. As it is, this bill is accepted, and therefore we call it as general acceptance. समझा? Clean acceptance. So this is clean acceptance. Similarly, remember here the word after date is used. That means this is after date bill. तो ये जो 7 दिन का term है, it will be counted from the date of bill, not from the date of acceptance. जब इधर word रहेगा after sight, इधर word रहेगा after sight, after date नहीं, after sight, तो इसका मतलब ये after sight bill हो जाएगा. Then the counting of these 60 days will be started from this date, from the date of acceptance. समझा फर्क? तो एग्जाम में when nothing is specified, then we have to assume that it is after date bill. तो सीधा after date लिखने का. If specifically mention that कि after sight bill बनाओ, then you have to write the here word after sight. ये साइड इधर लिखना पड़ेगा. इतना ही फर्क है. मोस्टली एग्जाम में आफ्टर डेट वाला आता है. अगर आ गया तो डरो मत. ओनली यू हैव टू राइट द वर्ड योर साइड. बाकी सब सेम. ओनली द डिफरेंस इज द काउंटिंग ऑफ 60 days will start from this date in case of after sight bill, and counting of days starts from this date in case of after date bill. तो याद रखना एग्जाम में अगर नथिंग इज मेंशन देन इसका मतलब आफ्टर डेट ही लिखने का. समझा ठीक से? सो दिस इज हाउ योर 5 marks आर श्योर हियर. मैं आपको घर पे भेजूंगा होमवर्क. उसमें मैं 8 आपको ऐसा दे दूंगा इंफॉर्मेशन डिटेल. 8 बना सकते कल तक. तो अप टू टुमारो यू प्रिपेयर सच फॉर्मेट. नाउ आई विल बी सेंडिंग इन द इवनिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ. Here at the top center we write bill of exchange. On the right hand top corner we write the name and address of drawer. On the left hand side we write stamp in the box. Then below that we write amount in figure. Here we write date of bill. Then below that we write the statement. 60 days after date, pay to me or my order the sum of rupees 20,000 only for the value received. Below that on the right hand side, drawer will put her signature. On the left hand side again you have to write the word to, name and address of drawee, and below that on the middle in this middle area you write the word accepted, signature of this person, that is drawee, and date of acceptance, जिस दिन उसने साइन किया वो तारीख डालने का, दिस इज कॉल्ड डेट ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस. जब ये एक्सेप्टेंस का प्रोसेस होता है, व्हेन दिस एक्सेप्टेंस प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस, देन ओनली दिस डॉक्यूमेंट बिकम बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज. बिफोर दिस एक्सेप्टेंस ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट है उसको हम ड्राफ्ट बोलते हैं, सिखाया था मैंने आपको, याद रखना. सो इट इज नोन एज ड्राफ्ट बिफोर एक्सेप्टेंस. आफ्टर एक्सेप्टेंस वी कैन कॉल इट एज बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज. इस बिल को श्रुति का क्या बोलेगी, बिल्स रिसीवेबल. श्रुति का इज अ ड्रॉवर, शी विल से बिल्स रिसीवेबल ए डॉक्यूमेंट को बोले, इट इज एसेट फॉर हर. सिमिलरली इसी डॉक्यूमेंट को पीयूषा विल से बिल्स पेएबल, इट इज लाइबिलिटी फॉर पीयूषा ठाकुर. शी सपोज टू पे 20,000 आफ्टर 60 days. ये 60 दिन के लिए उसके सर के ऊपर वो कर्जा है, इट इज़ अ लाइबिलिटी. और पीयूषा श्रुतिका के लिए ये 20,000 का एक नोट है, इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ करेंसी नोट. ये नोट की तरह वो यूज़ कर सकती है उनके ट्रेड सर्कल में. शी कैन गिव दिस 20,000 नोट टू अनदर ट्रेडर एंड शी कैन बाय समथिंग फ्रॉम दैट. So this is negotiable instrument, that is transferable instrument. It can be transferred from person to person. इस तरह से this bill of exchange is asset for Shrutika. She will call this document as bills receivable. And to the same document, Piyusha Thakur will call bills payable. It is liability for her. अभी साइन करने के बाद after acceptance, Piyusha will hand it over to Shrutika. ये बिल किसके पास जाएगा, श्रुतिका के पास. She is the holder of bill, she is the owner of bill, she is the purchaser of bill. अभी वो बिल उसका हो गया, एक तरह से 20,000 का नोट उसके पास आ गया. She get the assets in the form of bill. समझा ठीक से, सब समझो बराबर. If you have any doubt you can ask. अभी इसके बाद क्या होता है, sometime what happen कि drawer draws the bill and drawee has to accept the bill, but drawee accept the bill as it is, then we call it as general acceptance, clean acceptance, बराबर. But sometime drawee accept the bill but by putting certain condition, then it is called qualified acceptance or conditional acceptance. For example, suppose Piyusha accepted the bill but she said I will not pay 20,000, I will pay 19,800. 200 रुपये उसको डिस्काउंट चाहिए, तो इसका कंडीशन है. तो she will write the statement here. Accepted कैसा लिखेगी देखो, in case of conditional acceptance she will write here. इतना ही चेंज होगा, बाकी सब सेम. पीयूषा लिखेगी accepted for rupees 19,800 only. हो गया क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस. अगर श्रुतिका को एग्री है तो ये साइन करेगी. पीयूषा will write the condition on the bill कि even though this bill is of 20,000 but I am going to pay 19,800 only on the maturity date to person who present the bill to her. तो जो बिल लेके जाएगा उसके पास मैच्योरिटी डेट को, तो उसको 20,000 नहीं देगी, 200 रुपये कम देगी, बिकॉज शी एक्सेप्टेड इट फॉर 19,800 only. So this is called conditional acceptance or qualified acceptance. Condition can be as to amount. इधर amount का condition रहता है. Sometimes it can be related with time also. For example, suppose पीयूषा बोली कि I am ready to pay 20,000, no doubt, but 60 दिन के बाद नहीं, मैं 80 दिन के बाद दूँगी. I want more time. तो she can write that condition accepted for 80 days. So इस तरह से by putting certain condition, when drawee accept the bill, then it is called conditional acceptance or qualified acceptance. So exam में clearly they will give you detailed information कि name and address of drawer, name and address of drawee, amount of bill, term of bill, date of bill, date of acceptance, and if it is conditional acceptance, then what condition that will be also mentioned in the problem. कि बाबा एक्सेप्टेड फॉर 19,800, या फिर एक्सेप्टेड फॉर 80 days. So this is how they will give you conditions, and that condition you have to write here. Baki everything will be similar. You get 5 marks. So do practice hard. In the next lecture I will teach you कि sometime name and address of drawer is given together with name and address of drawee, and also they give name and address of payee also sometime. Name and address of payee. In that case how to drop the bill सब सेम है, थोड़ा चेंज है, बट यू सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. टिल देन यू जस्ट प्रैक्टिस दिस 2. ये 2 का पहला प्रैक्टिस करो. जनरल एक्सेप्टेंस है ये, मैं इधर लिख देता हूँ. जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस इज जनरल एक्सेप्टेंस. उसका हमने प्रैक्टिस किया आज, समझा. हियर 2 ही पार्टी है, ड्रॉवर एंड ड्रॉवी. उसके बाद हमने क्वालिफाइड एक्सेप्टेंस का भी प्रैक्टिस किया, उसमें भी 2 ही पार्टी था, ड्रॉवर एंड ड्रॉवी. ओनली 2 पार्टी, ड्रॉवर ड्रॉवर. तो ड्रॉवर एंड ड्रॉवी ये 2 ही पार्टी दिया है. कल देखेंगे 3 पार्टी देंगे, पेई भी देंगे. तो हाउ टू प्रिपेयर वो भी देखेंगे. कोई बात नहीं. यू प्रैक्टिस एट होम, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट और क्वेरी यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके, बाय, स्टे सेफ.